Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique, your source for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today, we have a fantastic find for all you campers out there. We're talking about the Elite Gourmet ESB-301BF countertop single cast iron burner. A portable electric hot plate that might just be the best camping electric stove on the market. This compact and efficient hot plate is designed for cooking on the go, making it a perfect companion for your camping adventures. But is it worth your investment? Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the features that make the Elite Gourmet ESB-301BF stand out. It's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. The compact size ensures it won't take up much space in your camping gear. The adjustable temperature knob allows you to precisely control the heat. Whether you want to simmer, boil, or just keep your food warm, this hot plate has got you covered. Thanks to its cast iron flat cooking plate, you get even heat distribution, which is crucial for cooking delicious meals. It comes with a power indicator light and non-skid feet, ensuring safety during use. Cleaning is a breeze. You can wipe it down with a damp cloth or a non-abrasive sponge. Now, let's talk performance. The Elite Gourmet hot plate heats up quickly, so you don't have to wait around to start cooking. The variable temperature control knob allows you to reach and maintain the desired heat settings. Despite its compact size and 1000 watts of power, it provides sufficient heat for all your cooking needs. It's not just for camping, it's a handy extra cooking device for school, office, and even home use. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet ESB-301BF countertop single cast iron burner is a fantastic addition to your camping gear. It's affordable, efficient, and provides you with the convenience of a controlled cooking experience wherever you go. That's it for today's review, folks. If you're interested in this product, you can find it on Amazon. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and happy camping!